This is a nice polka for the C-sharp D box, or the BC box for that matter, often called the Ballydesmond. Jackie Daly has another name for it, which I can't think of right now. Let's look at some fingering strategies. This is the first part. I'm going to demonstrate what I call climbing up the scale with two fingers. A very useful way of making sure your strong fingers stay in the center of the action, as it were. Just try this. You don't use the third finger until you come to the top G. When you get to the C here particularly, you have to get your second finger out of the way quickly enough. Although if you try and leave it there, you'll get tangled up. Down to the first finger. Swap. Now that passage there, different ways of playing it, but polkas have this, you hear them playing a good fiddle players, they're kind of a swell on the offbeat, which you can work on with your bellows. The second part of the tune. Okay, a little flick for the offbeat. Or